Sweetwater is good. Find fanatically fishing friends. Paul K, Saturday mornings outdoors. And this ain't Saturday mornings, it's Saturday night. And we are going to catch, hopefully in all its splendor and glory, the evening bite in Sweetwater. This lake, this particular lake, I caught my PB here on largemouth around 5.3. That was a long time ago, but a lot of guys might laugh, 5 pounds 3 ounces, but for Massachusetts that ain't half bad. But all the fishing I do, that's as good as I can do. But this is where it came from, that's the point. And let's see if we can have a little fun. So tonight I'm going to be using, this is generally my trout rod, but because I'm going to be tossing such light lures, this is excellent for long distance casting. It's ultralight spinning reel, 4-pound test. My Xander rod, or this is a steelhead rod, and the thing casts a mile with light lures. That's the point. And it also magnifies the fight crazy. You can use really light line with this and catch larger fish. It makes fishing a lot more fun. That's all light ultra. And I'm limiting myself to 2 lures. This is a man's auger tail spin. It's like a tiny spinnerbait. I have really good luck with it, and I have great confidence in it. And Rapala floating wraps in just gray minnow color. I have a lot of confidence in that. Those are the 2 lures I'll be working with tonight. Let's go fit about I'd say about an hour and a half to 4. But I'm really after the time between when the sun goes down and it's completely dark. That is the magic hour. Let's go. So I'm going to start off with the auger tail spin, and I'm wading. I'm out in the water here. So I'm going to head out in that direction and try to work my way around in that direction. Let's go. In here they have perch, sunfish, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, rainbow trout, brook trout, brown trout. Pretty much every species this state has to offer. It's really a great lake. You've seen me here plenty of times before. Well, a lot of the freshwater fishing I do is one of the more popular lakes that I really love in the area. The beginning of the magic hour. Beautiful night for fishing. A lot of people on that beach in that direction. There's picnic areas and all that. Nice spot to be on a summer night. All right, here we go. First fish of the night. Feels fairly good. Might be a bass, might be a trout. Let's go. Maybe not. This might be a bull sunfish, but it is a fish. Nice fight on this ultralight. Hey guys, thank you very much for making the show, making an appearance. All right, let's go. The magic hour almost upon us. Work on this dock looks a little promising. Come on, fish. I would call this officially the beginning of the magic hour. Let's go. So I'm switching over to the top water. Rapala. These people know fishing. There's a beautiful crane right here. He's got the idea. He knows where the fish are. Very cool. He knows about the magic hour. Getting a little, there he goes. A little too close. They look so prehistoric. That is a fisherman. What is a fisherman right there? Fish a bird. All right. Nice little crappie. On the top water. Good looking fish. Kind of easy to make a good meal. Oh, guy. I'm gonna let you go as soon as you give me back my lure. Let's go. There's like a feeder stream right here, and I can feel the difference. Absolutely feel the difference in the water temperature, which I did a show before about spring fishing, finding the springs. All the cold water fish are forced during the summertime to gravitate to these springs because of the water temperature difference. And it is a honey hole in the summer for cold water species. So bear that in mind. I mean, literally, it feels like a 15-degree difference. The water's coming this way in towards me. At nighttime, it's more of a feel thing in fresh water. You can hear the fish hitting top waters, but so this is a top water, and twitch, pause, and give them something to zero in on, but they can easily see pretty much everything that, boy, that looks good in the water. Dark, you know, with that lateral line they got, and the ability to see, and this is their world, and they're hungry and they'll zero in. That's why hula poppers and all those kind. But my point is, at nighttime it's more of a feel thing for us, you know. You get more in tuned. Look at that. Well, I don't know how well you can see me, but man, that was fun. Extremely gorgeous summer night, man, and it's just caught a couple fish, and it's the way to go. It's so relaxing. What a beautiful, beautiful night it was. And the sunset, the fish were just icing on the cake. So we'll see you next time. Please hit that like and subscribe button. And my name is Paul K. This is Saturday Mornings Outdoors. Lightning bugs, lightning bugs. I doubt this cheap ass camera can freaking pick them up. Yep, he's over there. This is one. Summertime, baby.